Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be my Boxycharm unboxing for the month of May. So I promise I will be uploading more frequently, but school is finally done, finals are finally done, Claudia went off to Colorado again, so I have time to film now. So let's just hop into the box. Oh my god, I'm going to cut myself with this one day. Alright, so oh, we're back to these cards. Last month we had like one of those trifold cards, which I really liked, and now we're back to this. So this month is called Boxy Bash. That's the theme. Boxycharm's birthday month is this month, so I hear we get 6 products instead of 5. So I'm going to put this to the side here, and let's just pop into the box. The first thing I pick up is, this is the Cover FX Blurring Primer. It is a lightweight, soft focus primer that blurs the appearance of pores, fine lines, and other imperfections by creating a smooth canvas for flawless foundation application. This makes me think it's going to be one of those silicone primers, which I'm not a big fan of, but perhaps I like this one. Okay, so it comes out in like a nude shade. I'm going to just put this on the back of my hand. Oh, that feels velvety. You know what? This almost doesn't even feel like a primer once you blend it in. It just feels like your skin. Oh, I'm excited to try this now. Okay, so that was the first product we got in our box. The next product is a brush. I love getting brushes in the box. They're so expensive on their own. So this is what the brush looks like. This is from Aesthetica. This is the P12 brush. It says, with synthetic fibers that allow for maximum control, the P12 face brush is perfect for creating a flawless look. I feel like this could be a really nice bronzer brush. Okay, I'm excited about this. And next in the box we have, okay. This is from Pretty Vulgar. This is the coolest packaging ever. Pretty Vulgar has the coolest packaging I've ever seen. This is the Ink Gel Eyeliner. This highly pigmented gel eyeliner provides a quick drying application with enriched vitamin C to condition the lids. Its creamy and water-resistant formula allows for a smooth application that stays in place all day. Oh, this is so cool. It's like you're dipping like an old-timey pen in to write, but it's like eyeliner. This is such a cool packaging. This feels so luxurious, and I love this. I don't wear eyeliner much, but I've always wanted to try like a gel eyeliner. I just can't find one that works for me, so I hope that this will, and maybe I'll get into like wearing eyeliner more. This retails for, oh my god, I didn't tell you how much the brush retails for. Hold. The brush, this one, the P12, retails for $27. That's so expensive. See, brushes are expensive. And this Pretty Vulgar one is $24. Alright, the next product in the box is, oh, this is a Boxycharm collab with the Beauty Creations. This is a matte lip gloss. Basically, it's like a matte liquid lip. And this is, oh, this is a fiery color. What is this shade? Kiss Me. This is in the shade Kiss Me. This is what it looks like. I'm going to put some on the back of my hand for you guys. Ooh, it feels really nice. This is, oh my god. This smells like those stickers that you used to, like the smelly stickers you used to have in middle school. Look at this color. That is so vibrant and summertime. Wow, this is really nice. Okay, so this is the color. This is the Boxycharm collab, I assume. This is the Longwear Matte Lip Gloss. This is cruelty free, and this retails for $10, so that's pretty affordable. Beauty Creations Matte Liquid Lip Gloss is specially formulated to provide full coverage that dries to a seamless, smooth, and matte finish. Its lightweight application is a long-wearing, for effortless lip color that complements all skin tones. I think this is a really pretty color. It's definitely not one I'd buy on my own, so I love getting lip products in my boxes because it makes me like step outside my comfort zone. And since I review these products on my channel every month, there will be a video going up in about 2 weeks. I will have to start wearing colors like these. This is so nice. Alright, and it smells so good. I'm in love with the smell. So that is 4 products. We still have 2 left in here. Alright, so the next product is, oh, okay. It's a brush trio from Aesthetica. It's the same brand as the first brush. And these look like eyeliner brushes, which makes sense. We have a spoolie. We have a like fine line eyeliner. Then we have an angled brush here. So that is pretty cool. This set retails for $45. Wow, these are expensive brushes. Let me feel this spoolie. The spoolie feels nice. These brushes feel nice. They just This is expensive stuff. Wow. The Aesthetica Trio series comes with an angled eyeliner brush, a brow spoolie, and a fine tipped eyeliner brush. A convenient 3-in-1 used for a wide variety of looks, for a subtle wing to a dramatic cat eye. Use the brow brush for fuller, more defined eyebrows. I also find that if your eyelashes get a little clumpy and you don't have one of those like comb looking things, put your spoolie through the eyelashes and that really helps like get the excess product off of some lashes because they do get clumpy sometimes. My god, this isn't all white. So this is the last product in the box. Okay, so this is the Pure Cosmetics Sculptor Palette, and it says here that this is a 4-shade sculpting palette that features 2 high beam highlighters and 2 matte contour shades that will leave skin sculpted and to perfection with highly pigmented and buttery formulas. This is $30. I love the packaging on Pure Cosmetics. It's like, you can hear that, it's like a raised packaging. It's really cool, and this is what the palette looks like. It does come with a nice big mirror. I feel like these shades are just too dark for me to begin with, but this highlighter shade looks really nice. I feel like that highlighter shade is going to be really nice. It's pretty subtle, but this might be really cool. I'm actually going to do prom makeup on a few people pretty soon, so I'm excited. I will definitely be using these shades, and I'll be trying this out as much as I can. I'll probably use these as eyeshadows for my review, but this is, ooh, I don't know. This packaging's kind of cheap. Every time I get a Pure palette, this happens. I don't know what it is. The magnet, it's like, it's on an angle, I don't know. Okay, so that was everything we got in the box this month. Let me just total up the box for this month. Okay, so the total for this month's box is $174. That's crazy because Boxycharm is only $21 a month. And that's amazing. Happy birthday, Boxycharm, and thank you for all of these wonderful things. I'm so excited to try out these products, and I'm so excited, I think especially for the eyeliner, because it's going to make me like leap out of my comfort zone and do something different. So yeah, guys, that completes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you got anything different, I think there is some variation, not nearly as much as last month, which I loved so much, and I kind of hope they bring that variation back again. But if you get anything different, leave it down below. We can have a conversation about it. And yeah, that completes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you in my next video.